birthday, Lola. May God bless you and may God continue blessing your life and your grandchildren. And happy 79th birthday. We love you. From your dearest granddaughter. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy 79th birthday, Lola. May God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my birthday, Lola. I love you and God bless you.
Hi, Nay. Happy birthday. Kamusta ka na dyan? Miss ka na namin. Naway bigyan pa po kayo ng malusog na pangangatawan at masayang buhay. Mahal po namin kayo. Salamat sa iyong tulong sa amin. And ingat ka palagi dyan. God bless, Nay. Love you.
Hello, Nanay! Happy 79th birthday. Hope you enjoy your day today. Kamay pa sige hapon, mag-alagad ka sa Ginoo, tutunggit alagad sa Ginoo, Nay. Give your remaining time to Him and He knows what's best for you. Happy birthday.
Happy 79th birthday, Nay. I'm so thankful to God. I'm so grateful to God na He has blessed you this another wonderful and joyful another year in your life. Your 79th birthday. I'm thankful din sa Ginoo sa paghatag niya sa imo for giving you strength and good health all throughout the years. Hello, likes! Happy 18th birthday! Yoda dalaga si Manang Laika. My birthday prayers for you is that the Lord will continue to bless you and use you in His kingdom mightily. Stay faithful in serving God and keep up the good job as a pastor kids nga gapagamit ka mo sa buluhaton sa church kag continue to be a blessing sa mga youth dira sa church and as well as study well. Don't be weary in well-doing. Sa Bible, for in due time you will reap your rewards, all the blessings, you will have your reward, that you will reap your blessing that God has prepared for you. Happy 80th birthday, Manang Laika. Pang mani-mani na si Manang Laika ka mo lang na like sa happy birthday and God bless you. We love you, Manang Leica.
Ay, Nay, happy birthday. Ika-79 birthday. Dali lang yung nag-break lang ko daw. Kaya mo na clinic. In your birthday, hopefully, I am hoping and praying the Lord will strengthen you. Not just physically, spiritually, and mentally. Praying na Ginoo magka-sustain sa mo the remaining years. May you have fruitful days and full of days, full of years, full of life together with your apo and your
Kids.
with your kids at ang
Relatives and
in-laws.
family.
So, this 79th birthday, may the Lord will bless you continually and hopefully respect sa gihapon in spite of your age, in spite of your limitations, and the Lord will still honor you and grant you, bless you, good health, sound mind, and more closer to Him. God bless you, Nay.
Loma, happy 79th birthday. Wish you more birthdays to come, good health, and more blessings to come. Halong ilang pero may lakas mo da. Hindi ka magpasagi pakapoy masyado. Tamang exercise lang. Hindi ka magpaka-stress da sa daon da sa starapol ha. Panilig ka da. Tapos tamang kainan tayo. Enjoy your day. Enjoy the night. Ang regalo ko da, chika na lang da kung ano Tapos kay Kilay ka, happy 79th ay. Ano gali? Happy birthday lang. Pila ka na like? Tuod lang mayo ha. Iwas doon na migo-migo Eskwela da na mayo Halang ko mo da per mo yan, di magpaka dungol gid. Always be humble. Once again, happy birthday sa inyong dalawa. May God bless you always.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy 79th birthday, Mama Hold. Mama Hold, sana nagustuhan mo yung regalo namin sa'yo. Miss ka na namin dito, Mama Hold. Mag-chat ka lang pagbabalik ka.
Happy birthday, Mama. Ito si Aryan. Maraming salamat sa iyong mga blessings na binigay sa amin dati. And maraming salamat. I wish na stay strong ka lang dyan. Magpagaling ka palagi. Palakas ka ng katawan. Exercise ka lang palagi. And we miss you so much. I love you, I love you, I love you, Mama.
Ingat
maraming
ka dyan,
salamat.
Mama Hold.
Miss you. Happy birthday ulit. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy 79th birthday sa iyo, nanay. And Happy 18th birthday kay Laika.
So ka doon, kasi masyado pa na ito video. Yan.
Pagpalain kayo ng Panginoon. Nanay, may God bless you more good health and blessings to come. At Laika, patuloy kang magpakabait bilang isang anak at isang kapatid. No? So siya, ikaw, anong sabi mo kay Nanay Laika?
Ano masabi ko? Wala akong script, Nay. Happy birthday, Nay. God give you more strength. Makita niyo pa yung apo niyo sa amin.
At makapunta siya dito.
Oo, at makapag-visit ka pa dito.
Oo.
Yun. We're praying for that. And to Laika, be more spiritual and pakatatag. Especially, dalaga ka na. More on temptation yan.
Marami
Kaya,
siyang pagsubok. No?
more on spiritual. Spiritual battle will be gone. Pero pakatatag sa gawain. Yun.
At sa lahat ng aming mga pamilya dyan, kay Charlotte,
Dami mga
kay
pamilya,
Jerry. Nandyan sila eh.
Ako.
Kay Pastor Marvin, kay Brother Bonnie.
Ilan mo ba?
Maraming salamat sa inyo. Okay, sa pangunguna dyan sa event ni Nanay Charlotte, Cherry, God bless you. At sa mga nakakapanood dito na aming mga pamilya. Nandito lang kami. It's just only a video away. Okay, God bless you all. God bless you all.
Bye-bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Kaya and I'm from South Korea. My major in Korean is Russian literature. Happy 79th birthday, Nanay Horde! Hope you enjoy your day. Stay healthy, stay strong, and more good health, and stay pretty right now. Like this.
Can you sing a happy birthday song in Korean?
생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. Loving, sorry I'm not good at singing. 사랑하는 나나의 홀. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
God bless.
Thank you.
Say Lola. Hold. Say hold. Happy birthday. Clap your hands. Flying kiss. Beautiful eyes to Lola. Ay! Show Eli smile to Lola. Show Eli smile. Happy face.